The 24-hour trading volume for XTC was about $16.88 million. In this video, we will look at some very interesting price action for XTC. Market movements don't happen in a straight line, so we can see a push up, a retest of support levels, and then another push to the upside. Based on our indicators, we can see that despite the recent drop, there is still consolidation in play. This correction is considered healthy because we are still well above the 200-day moving average. Welcome back to today's video about cryptocurrencies. Today, we'll talk about Jasmy coin, which is number 159 and worth about $194 million on the market. This coin has gotten some attention, and with a trading volume of about $31.66 million, it's not one to ignore. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video as we look at the price action of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin was able to hold the support level, which shows a bullish trend. We were eagerly waiting for a push towards the top of the range at the 0.04398098 level, and now Jasmy coin has passed the 200 EMA, so now we want to see if it can hold above this level. If it fails again, the price could go down, but if it keeps going up, we could be in for a big move. Let's look at some of our signs. There is a hidden sour divergence, which is a good sign for Jasmy coin because it means we may see more stability before any possible breakdown. For Jasmy coin to be successful, our Z-score signal shows that we are currently oversold, which means we may see a correction before more bullish movement. Despite this, Metcoin is still very bullish because it just broke above the 200-day exponential moving average. And sign up for this has happened before with XTC, so there's no need to worry. This is just a small setback in the big picture. If we look at the Z-score, we can see that prices are at the bottom, which means we've reached the lowest point for now. In the past, when prices reached this level, we saw another push up. This retracement gives you a great chance to dollar cost average into your positions. If you buy more XTC at these levels slowly, you'll be ready for the next uptrend. In conclusion, that's our analysis for XTC today. If you like what you see, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day. Ethereum is an independent blockchain platform that lets people make apps that don't need a central server, like smart contracts. The way we think about and use digital contracts has changed because of the Ethereum network. Decentralized applications and even donations through initial coin offerings. Crazy people. The impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired many other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space as a whole to grow and improve. Ethereum's blockchain technology is the basis for many applications and projects in its ecosystem. Developers can use Ethereum's smart contract feature to build decentralized applications that are open, tamper-proof, and run on their own. This setting encourages new ideas in areas like decentralized finance and tokens that can't be spent. One of the most important ways Ethereum is used is to help NFTs handle the supply chain, check names, and do other things. The market use Ethereum to avoid platforms. Smart contracts to provide financial services like loans lead to farming decentralized markets and the creation of synthetic assets as people look for decentralized alternatives to traditional financial systems because of what Ethereum can do for non-fundable tokens. Device growth has made Ethereum more useful and important. NFTs, which are unique digital assets that prove ownership or authenticity of digital and physical objects, have become very popular in areas like digital art and video games. Collectibles and the rights to intellectual property. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT growth and transactions because it works well with other blockchains and can be trusted. As Ethereum continues to change, its future looks very bright. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. The cryptocurrency community has paid a lot of attention to this update because it could open up even more possibilities. Since the price of Bitcoin went up 2% in just 24 hours, people are wondering what it means for people who want to buy it. Since the market is always changing, the question is, does this rise mean that now is a good time to buy Bitcoin? In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor talked about the chances of Bitcoin becoming mainstream. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and that as Bitcoin becomes more popular in society, different ways to use it will come up and a one-size-fits-all solution may not be possible. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why Bitcoins are worth something. People are wondering what it might mean for buyers as the market continues to change because the price of Bitcoin went up 2% in just 24 hours. We should find out if this increase means that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not exist. Saylor said that there are 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs guardians. Saylor agreed that some government systems might make it necessary to use third-party guardians. On the technical side, he knew that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that some people, like the old or people who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, might be better off giving their things to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will be used in different ways and that the market will be able to adapt. Political point of view. Some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last